Being a stylish young man will be hard, but from today I'm gonna make it easy for you, cause in this video I'll be sharing with you the best advice to be a stylish young man in 2020. So let's take a look at this. What's up my folks, it's your boy Afridi Harshad. I'm here to help out the young men like us around the world to be more stylish, attractive and of course to be more fashionable. So I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I had a lot of troubles in here, but I'm gonna make it up to you because in my new posting schedule I'm gonna doing about 5 videos a week. Come on, that's gonna be like 20 videos a month. It's crazy shit, man. So who's ready to do this? Let's get this shit done. So the number one advice for you guys out there is create your own personal style. Dude, aren't you tired of following all those celebrities and the random guys you see? It's 2020, it's not just a new year, it's a new decade for us. So it is time to upgrade your style, but that doesn't mean you have to find a new celebrity to follow his style. By the way, a few days ago I've seen a post. It was like, men will follow the trends but legends create them. So be a freaking legend, create your own stuff and make people follow you. Okay, so yeah, I know the first one was a little complicated, but the second one is to help you out with that. Cause the second one is start with your basics. Creating an own personal style will be a bit hard at the beginning, but don't worry, I'm here to make it easy for you, right? Don't you remember? So the first thing you have to do after deciding to create your own personal style, check your wardrobe. Make sure that you got all the essentials you need. The simple basic stuff. Example, your black jeans, which could go with any of your shirt, t-shirt, hoodies, almost everything, any top wear I guess. Because I love black jeans by the way. So, and your watch collection, your accessory section. The minimum you need a dress watch and a casual watch. And look at your shoes, you need at least 3 kind of shoes. 1 sport shoes, 1 casual shoes and 1 dress shoes. Like that, get all the essentials you need and try different styles with it. And slowly after that upgrade your style. I'm telling you this because I know a lot of guys who wanted to create their own style and from at the very beginning they have fallen for the trap of those fancy ugly fashion trends. But I'm gonna say is guys, don't ever fall for that trap. Guys, number 3 is of course wear accessories. Guys, I've told you this 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times, 10,000 times. But I'm not telling you this because I love accessories. FYI, I do. But it's that much important. Dude, accessories is the best way to elevate your look and to set yourself apart from the rest of the crowd. It brings out your whole outfit to the next level. And if you don't know what kind of accessories you need, don't worry, your boy got you. Cause I've done a complete video of must-have accessories for guys in 2020. So if you have missed that, click that I button right now and watch it. I'll wait. Okay, in this one, you have to be really serious with me. Cause this is where nowadays most of the young men make the mistakes and kills their entire style. The thing is nothing else, getting the right hairstyle for your face shape. Okay, now take a minute to think about how you choose the hairstyle last time when you got a haircut. Some celebrity stuff or any random guy on Instagram maybe, right? So in that case what happens is when you see the haircut you feel it's crazy, you feel really crazy about it, you really want to get that, you want that on your head right now. Anyway, that look amazing on him though, right? But after the very minute of you got that hairstyle, you were like, what the heck is happened to my head, right? That happens cause when you fall in super love with the hairstyle and actually forgot completely about the face shape. Dude, don't fall for that trap. Whenever you're gonna get a hairstyle or looking for one, make sure that that hairstyle and haircut is gonna make perfect fit for your face shape. So my 6th advice for the young guys out there is a simple and a powerful one. Guys, wear cologne. Guys, wearing a cologne is one thing that most guys forget about or doesn't care that much. But I can assure you that wearing a good cologne could change your entire life in a very positive way. Especially in the ladies. They love the guy who smells good. They use the sense of smell as the same way we guys use the eyesight for the first impression. So it's like guys, when we wear good clothes we feel good, right? Don't you think? If you're wearing a good cloth you will be feeling like, yeah, I'm good, I'm confident, I'm positive, like that, right? Wearing a cologne enhances that feeling. Guys, buy a nice cologne, stick to it and make people know that you have arrived just before they see you. Just like the announcement before the king arrives, right? So the 7th advice I want to give to my young generation out there like me is be yourself. Stop pretending like you're someone else. Stop wearing the exact clothes of someone else. Stop getting the exact haircut of someone else. Stop being another person. You is you. There is no one else in the world who can be you. So, dude, you don't have to wear what he wears or have to do what he does, walk or talk like he does. Create some of your own stuff. Remember, the captain is always better than the crew, because that's why he's the freaking captain. So, be yourself. And this advice is a bonus for all my young favorite guys watching this right now, and even other guys. I guess some teenagers watch my videos. Yeah, it's about at 80%. Yeah, for you guys too. Find a way to make a decent money for your needs. Dude, we are the young freaking men of this decade. Not this year, this decade. If not now, when? When the heck are you gonna be financially independent, who have no debts and have whatever he needs? Dude, you have to work hard now. Not like a slave, you just have to work along with your studies, your job. Just have a side hustle, I mean, which can throw you a little bit money for your needs and stuff. You know, we are men, we have our needs. Not as much as ladies, I guess, but still we have our needs. So, make a way to find that money. Dude, don't worry, work hard now. Work hard, succeed, and then, only then, play freaking hard. So that's it for today. I'm Afridi Harshad. I'm here to help the young men like us around the world to be more stylish, attractive, and of course to be more fashionable. So I made out other videos about our fashion style and stuff. Make sure you check out all that. I'll link it up here. So that's it. I'm Afridi Harshad signing out.